Have you always dreamed of building the perfect PC? What if you could make it the most eco-friendly one? Discover Desk IT, the new serious and fun board game where the goal is to assemble the most eco-responsible PC by collecting components with values represented by leaves. The game consists of a board and cards. Hardware cards represent 6 different components and each card is scored with leaves, which indicate a level of eco-responsibility. The more leaves, the better. Action cards allow players to perform special actions such as exchanging a card with another player, stealing a card from another player, or drawing a hardware card. Question cards via the add-on, accessed through a QR code. Before drawing a card, you must answer a question. If you answer correctly, you earn the card. If you answer incorrectly, you lose your turn. The board has 3 different spaces. Short circuit square. The player must return one of their components back under the deck as if a component has burned out. Action box, draw an action card and carry out the required action. Material box, draw a hardware card and add it to your setup. The rules are simple. You can play with 2 to 4 players. Decide the number of laps around the boards you want to play. The youngest player starts and rolls the dice. If a player lands on an action or material space, they must answer a question on the add-on. If the answer is correct, they collect their card, and if it's incorrect, they lose their turn. If a player lands on a short circuit space, they must return a card of their choice back to the deck. If a player lands on a blank space, they lose their turn. The first players to reach the end of the final lap stops the game, and all the players then count the leaves and the one with the most wins.